A machete attack, a fire captain punched in the face. These are the new normal for Sac Metro fires amid an ever-growing homeless crisis.
They say people living on the streets are taxing personnel and private property in a way that is getting more and more dangerous. Rachel Wulff is live in Sacramento with more on the challenges that they're facing. Rachel.
Yeah, we've heard of the dangers to law enforcement, but now first responders are on the front lines and they are fearing for their lives at times.
You're looking at Sac Metro Fire helmet cam footage from a recent call in the Arden area. Squatters in a vacant building, seen running out as crews arrived. The fire so big, the roof collapsed.
It's a challenge nationwide.
Sac Metro Fire Captain Parker Wilbourn says last year his agency responded to over 2,500 fire incidents directly related to homeless encampments or people experiencing homelessness. 27 were fires at commercial structures or homes.
So whether they be medical aids, fires, vehicle accidents that are related to people walking around in traffic, reports of violent attacks.
Just a couple months ago, a 60-year-old Rancho Cordova man died after police say a homeless man attacked him with a machete while he was riding his bicycle. And last week, this surveillance cam footage shows a fire captain assaulted by a homeless man, sending him to the emergency room. And it's not just people, it's property.
We've had a significant issue with people tampering with the fire suppression systems, whether they be hydrants or the sprinkler systems. They're using the bleeder valves to basically bathe and wash their clothes. What that does is it renders those fire suppression systems useless.
At El Camino and Howe Avenue, you can see this man bathing shirtless outside a convenience store near the dumpster, while others are urinating in broad daylight. Business owners tell us they're having issues with homeless defecating on their businesses and dumpster diving.
They go through these trash cans and then they just leave everything behind.
This South Sacramento chiropractor had to move his to the front of the building.
It's sometimes scary because my staff has gone to throw the trash and then, all of a sudden you find somebody on the floor. You don't know who they are.
Engine 8.
And even if they're keeping to themselves at campsites, what's left behind is not only a danger to the public, but the environment.
You have bio-waste, you've got human fecal matter and urine and syringes in these areas, and those are actually being washed away into our rivers, our streams, and our storm drains.
Wilbourn says what crews do goes beyond firefighting. It's finding solutions to addiction and mental health crises, and it's financially draining the department in terms of manpower and overtime, costing millions more annually to taxpayers.
We want to be a part of that solution, but the problem is getting worse, and we need to work faster, work quicker to get solutions to prevent potentially more fatal incidents.
Now, Sacramento County says they understand the homeless crisis has gotten worse, and that's why they have homeless encampment service teams that now are heading out. They have mental health, behavioral health, also navigation specialists to help people get into the system to get the help that they need. They're also administering water and food at some of these sites and trying to help combat the problem. A multi-pronged effect, a multi-pronged approach, one that's not going to go away easily.